Hello everyone, I really hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you my Stationery Pal stationery haul unboxing video. Alright, let's get into it. So I got this a while ago and just got around to shooting it, and I'm really excited to show you. So it is a box full of notebooks and pens, and let's check it out. So it comes in this really cute little box. I love all the little details on it. And then when you open it up, super cute packaging. Even the bubble wrap here is in the shape of hearts. I'm not sure if you can see that. Super cute. And then you open it up. Got all the stuff right here. Like, they put a lot of attention and care into details, how they ship their products. And then you get this cute little box. And I got a set of few notebooks and some pens. And then they added all these extra cute little trinkets like the bear and all this stuff. So super cute. Yeah, let me show you all that stuff. Like, super cute. And it comes with a little thank you card. And then here we have the notebooks I got. It's an all-weather notepad, a Constellation notebook, really cute. And then a couple A5 paper ideas notebooks as well. And I'm gonna do a few separate videos on those, so otherwise this video would get too long, so probably gonna show you these in a separate video. And then we have the cutest little traveler's notebook I've ever seen. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Let's put this right here. And then we got a bunch of pens right there, and I'm also gonna do a separate little video on all the pens I got, because some of you actually asked me to do pen videos as well, so I got these and I'm going to show you in another video. All right, so that's all the stuff I got. Let's put this box to the side and let's get to these. I'm going to share these in this little video. And if you are interested in getting any of this stuff, I have a discount code for you. I managed to get one. It is Journal Joy, and you can get 12% off your order if you're interested. I really love their website, and they have really great pricing on the journals. So if you're interested, check it out. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. Alrighty, so let's get to this cute little guy. Oh my god, it is absolutely adorable. It is real leather, and you have this little strap here, so you can use this as maybe a keychain or put it on your bigger wallet or something, so you can connect this together. Really cute. I mean, look at this. This is absolutely adorable. And dimensions on this are 4.8 centimeters by 3.2 centimeters, or 1.9 by 1.3 inches, and it has 64 pages. And so real leather. They have also a couple other colors, and this is actually real metal clasp right here, just like the big traveler's notebook, and then the elastic strap. And I did not bother to do a writing sample in this because it is so teeny weeny. You can probably put maybe a couple phone numbers in there or something, really like a short note. But it is absolutely adorable. Look how tiny this is. I'm really fascinated. It's absolutely cute. And don't mind all the noise out there. I live on a really busy intersection and it's never really quiet, so just bear with me on the noise. I apologize. It's absolutely adorable, super cute, super affordable. Check it out if you're interested. And then the next one I'm going to show you is this Constellation notebook. This is still from the packaging here. It's a hardcover notebook, and I love the detailing here, the gilded edges, and it has a really nice bookmark in yellow. Let's take the sleeve off here. It says 12 different originals Zodiac story notebook. So they look like, I don't look like really like Zodiac signs to me. Maybe they are. It's just star constellations here, and then it looks like maybe Saturn. And here's the spine in black. It says the brand here, Yasao maybe? I can't really read this. Yasak. Yeah, so the dimensions on this are 16.8 by 12.4 centimeters, or 6.6 by 4.9 inches. So it is roughly a B6 size. It's definitely smaller than an A5. I'll show you right there. This is an A5. Yeah, cutest little thing. And it has 128 white blank pages right there. I'll show you the writing sample in a minute. And here's the cover page, and it goes into the white pages, and they are 80 GSM. And I'll show you the corners around it, and there is about 2-3 millimeter overhang with the cover, and you can see the edges here of the paper. Super pretty as well. Yeah, so it's a really nice detail, and this is kind of like orangey brown in my opinion, like a brick color. And it's like I said, it's a cardboard. This feels like very stiff cardboard, like a textured paper. Yeah, and here's the back. And there's no pocket, but as I said, you have a nice little yellow bookmark right here. And again, for the price, I'm really impressed with this notebook. Super cute. It's stitched and bound. And let's get to the writing sample. If I can find it again. There it is. So pencil, ballpoint pen, a couple gel pens, and then roller balls. And then we have 2 fountain pens, then Pile Metropolitan medium nib with diamond marine ink, and then the Hero 330 with the Fuda nib with diamond Merlot ink. Forgot to write that down. And here's the back. And there is quite a bit of ghosting, as you can see, but it's also thinner paper, 80 GSM, so it's some ghosting is expected, if you don't mind that. But then the fountain pen, it handled fairly well. It's just about to bleed through with the Fuda nib, but it is a really broad nib and really wet, so it doesn't surprise me with this type of paper and its thinness. But as I said, I'm kind of impressed with the paper. It feels really nice to the touch, smooth. It feels like premium quality paper, so I really like this notebook for the price it comes at. And again, I'm going to link all of this in the description below. So that was the Constellation hardcover notebook, and now let's move on to, I don't know how to spell this or say this, Jace all-weather lined notebook. So it is, as I said, an all-weather notebook with all-weather paper, so you can't use gel pens or roller balls or any like water-based inks on this, but you can use a pencil, a ballpoint pen, and a Sharpie works. And so all kind of types of all-weather pens that are like waterproof, I guess, would work on this. And it is also really nice quality. The dimensions are 12.6 by 7.6 centimeters or 5 by 3 inches, and it has 96 pages. And I believe I told you, sorry to go back a second, this one has 128 pages, in case I didn't mention it, I don't recall. So this one has 96 pages, and it has, as you see, rounded edges with the paper. This is double spiral bound. Here's the back, just green, like plastic, soft cover, so you don't have to worry about getting this wet. And then it has 6 millimeter ruling lines, and then also the graph that you see the dots here, it goes into like 6 by 6, 6 millimeters by 6 millimeters graph as well. So, and here let's look at the back. Of course, you don't have any ghosting on this, and then I mean the Sharpie can't really bleed through, and you can see it because it should be waterproof paper. But this is what it looks like. So if you're out in the wilderness, this might make a really nice companion for just taking notes and stuff. Yeah, those were the 3 I wanted to show in this video and the unboxing. So as I said, discount code is Journal Joy if you want 12% off your order. And I'm gonna show you all the other stuff in 2 separate videos. If you have enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more notebook videos and stationery hauls and all kinds of sorts of stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.